Welcome to a new video here on Auto Corner, and today is the beginning of winter season, so the first thing you have to do is changing the tires, so that's what we're going to do today. One thing I saw on the car, on the Audi, which really bugs me, is that I polished this car, as you can see in 2 videos in the description, but somebody keyed the car. Look at it. Fucking douchebag. Somebody keyed the beautiful Audi A6, so that's why if you have an expensive car, always wrap it. Not that this is expensive, but you understand what I mean. Actually, when I bought the car, the previous owner spent quite a lot of money. Oh my god, we have so much tires. Spent actually quite a lot of money on brand new winter tires for the car. So this Audi I bought for €2,500, which was at the time the cheapest 3.2 Quattro A6 C6 generation that you can find for sale. Of course, if you're not like a dealer auction or something like that, no, of course you can find it cheaper. And that was in working condition. It was actually the cheapest one. There were some like broken ones you can buy cheaper, but this one was in fully working condition. I will show you the tires, which are Nokia Hakkapeliitta, which is the best winter tires you can get, and they are studded, as you can see, brand new tires. And the rims are the same as an Audi RS4. I will show you. Sadly, one of the tires have a humongous damage on the sides. As you can see here. This one is so fucking bad. But the other one actually looks quite good. I actually had one of the tires that was leaking, but I fixed that as well. So this side changed, no worries, looking good. This problem here is that we have one of those nuts that are actually stuck in there. Actually happened last time I put on the tires. The bolt was already weakened and it broke off, so we're gonna try to remove it by doing that to it. So let's see if that works. And meanwhile, I'm gonna polish the front headlights. I already did it on that side, and you can see the difference from that side to that side. bought the tool, but we need the adapter because it doesn't fit this one. So back to the car part.
So I'm gonna give it to you.
Yeah, it gets really dark here in Sweden quite quickly, but the car looks clean again. With beautiful rims. I polish also the rear tail lights again to get that extra more shine. And then the front headlights as well. But as you can see in the bolt, when it gets stuck, first you drill a little hole, and then you buy something like this, a bolt extractor kit. Costs like 20 euros, and then you choose the one that fits you. For example, if you use a 6.5 millimeter bolt head, then you use the 6 millimeter, and it came actually quite quickly right off. So that's great if you have like an old bolt that's stuck or something like that. I actually adore this car. I remember when I bought it, I just loved it so much. And look now, it looks so much better now when I fixed the rust and everything on the vehicle. The only thing that really bugs me right now, except the wheel bearing which I will be replacing, is this light, which is a LED light. It sometimes works just perfectly and sometimes it just doesn't work. If anybody knows what's the problem, you can put it. Let's see. I think I need to replace it. Other than that, the car looks really good. And I think the blue color fits the car as well, actually quite good. I mean, this car also doesn't cost a lot of money, which is such a big bonus as well. Fucking love this car.